finally replacing this thing. Cracks and chips. That side. It's bad when you're looking out, honestly. But getting a new glass. This one, right? Yeah, we're putting this one on. So, no more cracks. And it'll take about 2 hours. I need my drink. You said about 2 hours it'll take?
Yeah, let's go.
Cool. All right, so we're also replacing the top molding here. Got some chipping in the paint, but we're getting rid of the no veer, finally. But I'll show you guys this when it's done. I'm here at Auto Glass Pro, so hopefully no issues with anything. I want it to go smooth. I don't want my paint to scratch. I don't want, you know, the usual stuff that I have to deal with. But there's another glass over there that they gave me the option of buying. It has, like, on the top right here, it has like a blue tint, and I don't know, I don't mess with blue. It's kind of too blue for me. If I want like a little thing on the top, I'll just tint it. I know a lot of people do that. But we're here in about 2 hours. I'll have to come back. I don't even have a car to do anything. I don't know where I'm gonna go, to be honest. I'm just gonna walk around and periodically check in on this thing. But yeah, so we'll see when it's done. Also, what I want to say, it's not a bad price. I'll say that. The side trims, because you guys know, Ford Integra, those little trim pieces for these side windshield moldings, they're expensive. They're like $4 from Acura. So I think I'm just gonna order them on eBay. I think they're $200. We're gonna do that, and I'll just install those myself. But for the windshield, it's $349 Canadian, and then for the little top molding that I showed you guys was $30, so $379 plus tax. I don't think it's too bad, as long as they do a really good job and it looks really good after. I'm just hyped to not have a broken and kind of a dirty windshield, because like that was like permanently like sandblast chipped, because I was sandblasting in the car and I didn't cover it. So yeah, we'll see how it's done. Okay, please don't rip off anything. Okay, it's looking fire. New trim, I like it. Inside is mint. Nice. Oh, thank you. Looking a lot better now. I might have to cut some of that trim off, but that's okay. It's looking better. I'll need a new cowl probably soon. Alright guys, so we're back and windshield's looking mint. So they told me to keep these on for about 24 hours and to not pressure wash it for about a week. So I can do that. The car's already decently clean, and I did the inside too, so it's all clean in there. Anyway, looks mint now. I just need these side pieces. Oh, also they quoted me $400, and that's not even their price. That's Acura's price for those side trims. So I'm just gonna order them off eBay. I think they were like $200 plus like $6 shipping. So, and they were brand new. So yeah, I'll do that and I'll install those and whatnot. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.